This is our third generation freezer with a joint system. At the upper side, here is the system time of the freezer, and at the right side, this one is the electrical control. Here the electrical control icons, and this one is the mute key to mute the alarm information. As you can see, when you press the mute key, you can mute the alarm information. And the set icon is about the usage stage icons. When you press these icons, you need to put into the user account and the password. The initial account is user 001, and the password is 123456. And when you put into the correct account and the password, you can log in. And at the center of the interface, here is the display information about at the right side. This is the ambient temperature. Now it's 23 degrees, and at the right side is the setting temperature. In the middle of the interface is about the real-time temperature inside the freezer. When you press this key, you can check each part of the freezer, such as compressor, fan motor, heater, and PT100 sensor. If all these parts are working normally in this time, you can check the state of each part. Second, we will introduce the function of each icon. First one is about the access manage. When you want to put your sample inside the freezer or take out the sample from the freezer, this function is available. Just for example, first one, you want to storage 1 or 2 samples inside the freezer. You can select the type of the samples. For example, you select the eggs, and select the quantity of the eggs. Now press the confirm key. It means you already put 4 eggs inside the freezer. Okay, the storage is successful. Now you want to take out the eggs and take 2 eggs count. Now you want to take out 2 eggs from the freezer. You can select number 2 and press the take keys to take the eggs out from the freezers. As you can see, the number of the eggs now is 4. This function is just for you to take out or put inside the sample inside the freezer. Okay. Next icon is about the date view. When you press this date view key, you can check the historical temperature date, and the operated recorder, and the alarm record, and the detailed record informations. It means you can check the temperature information from these icons, and who operated these freezers at which time, and alarm information of this freezer. And the third icons is about the date curve. You can check the latest 1 day or 1 week, even 1 month temperature date of the freezer to confirm if the freezer was working normally during these days. Okay. The next one is about the setting manage. In this page, you can set the temperatures, and you can set the high temperature alarm and the low temperature alarm. You can slide the slider to set the temperature, or press this wave to set the temperature. As you can see, you can set the temperature from -40 to -86. The second icon is about the high temperature alarm and low temperature alarm and the ambient temperature alarm. As you can see, you can slide the slider to choose the temperature range or press the temperature wave to set the temperature. Third icons is about the user status. You can add 1 or 2, even 200 user content if you need. As you know, the initial user content is, and the password is user 001, and the password is 123456. You can also build a new content. For example, user 002, and the name is Alice, just for example. And you can also put into your phone number here and save it. Now you already create a new content. User 100. The next one is about the system setting. You can set the brightness of the touch screen and auto sleep time, back home time, and the value of the system, and so on. Next icon is about the message board. User can leave the message to the next user, such as "Hi everyone." So when the next user come in, he can check if there's any message from the last users.